This is a trapped firefighter drill.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. Firefighter Burnett. Partial collapse. Falling through. I'm wrapped up in something. I'm lost in the crew. Full hose. And I gotta have to take air. Conditions are heavy and hot. Heavy smoke in the back. Over.
All units stand by. All units stand by. Mayday in process. Mayday unit, copy your situation. Stand by. Activate your pass. Affirmative. Engine 1, I see.
I see, this is engine 1.
We have a trapped firefighter. We need rescue. He has lost his crew. He is not on the hose line. He has fallen through the floor. He's wrapped in something. He has half tank of air. Conditions are hot.
We got a down firefighter who's lost his crew.
Yes, he's lost his crew. He is off the hose. He is with a collapse and he is wrapped in something. He has half a tank of air. Copy.
Roger, so we got a firefighter down, low on oxygen. He has lost the hose and he is wrapped up.
Affirmative.
Note that Engine 1, whose assignment is a rapid intervention team, read back the IC's instructions. This is proper radio procedure, as the readback allows the IC to confirm that his instructions have been correctly received and understood. The large unit in the background is our 3-stage air compressor, which is used to fill our SCBA bottles. It can fill to a pressure of 4,500 pounds. The rapid intervention team is getting ready to enter. The orange tarp you see in the background is where the rapid intervention team pre-stages the equipment they would need to perform any rescue. Of course, since this is training, the urgency is slower than in a real rescue. Normally, a rapid intervention team would deploy within 60 seconds, as they would already have on all of their PPE, except gloves, and their SCBAs, except the regulator is not installed yet. So all they need to do is connect the regulator, put on their gloves, and grab their assigned tool, and go.
Down firefighter, this is command. What are your conditions? Firefighter Benson, this is command. Copy. Conditions are still hot, heavy smoke, and you're still wrapped up. Crew's been activated. They should be in momentarily. Stand by. Engine 1, command, go. Go for it. Simple instruction.
As usual, the floor is sounded first. In this drill, the first man is the nozzle man, the second is the tool man. The nozzle man simulates putting a spray of water into the building. The third person is carrying an extra SCBA bottle for the trapped firefighter if needed. The fourth crew member is the crew leader, but he is also pulling the hose. Remember, a fully charged 1 3/4-inch hose is not easy for one person to pull. Ideally, also another firefighter would be at the door pushing the hose in. They are not following the wall, but following the sound of the pass alarm to get to the trapped firefighter as fast as possible. As soon as you find the trapped firefighter, turn off their pass.
What's the first thing you want to do? Shut off his pass.
This way, communications is better. After they have cleared the trapped firefighter and checked him for injuries, they will lead him out. If he was incapacitated, he would be pulled to safety. They are now following their own hose line out.